week.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to your business tip of the week. And this week we got something for you video guys. Let's talk about lav mics. Lav mics are great because they're wireless most of the time. And they're small, they're out of the way, and they get fairly decent audio quality. But what happens if you're outdoors and it's windy and you got somebody that want to talk? You need a dead cat for your lav mic. Now, if you're like me and you purchase the wireless Rode Link set, I think that's what it's called, something like that. You know what I'm talking about. If you purchase one, it came with a hairy little dead cat cover, which is great for your lav mics. If you don't have that, you can purchase them. I'll post a link in the description on some of the ones that I found that I like on Amazon that will fit on most lav mics. But if you're outdoors and it's windy and you still want to get great audio, you can do this with a dead cat for your lav mic. For some reason, a lot of people don't know about them. They only think the dead cats happen for big shotgun mics, but you can get them for your lav mics so that somebody can talk naturally in a very windy environment and it sounds good. You often wonder, how did it get audio that good during the wind? But that's how they do it. They also make a lot of waterproof stuff too. But you probably don't know about all that. But we'll get you up to speed on all of that when it comes to lav mics. But one of the key secrets is a dead cat for your lav mic. And it is a must-have. You keep it in your bag just in case you're filming a client who wants to walk and talk outdoors. You can slap one of these on, put a little hair on their chest, a little furry thing there, and the audio is great. It doesn't look as great. It's not as hidden as a regular lav mic, but if you're in a pinch and you need to capture this footage, you gotta do what you gotta do. I'd rather have a hairy spot on your shirt and excellent audio than windy audio and I can't hear you and we also can't see the mic. So let's just be real. If you're getting into this, these are little things you need to know. All right, guys, if you got anything valuable from this video, hit that thumbs up button. You got questions? You got a better solution? Hey, talk about it in the comments. I want to hear about it. I want to hear about what you guys think. And let's talk about times where a dead cat saved your production. I don't hear a lot about that, but it happens more times than we know. So let's talk about that. All right, guys, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. I'm going to cut my monitor back on because it just went off somehow, some way. And I will see you guys next video. And if this is your first time watching one of our videos, this channel is designed to help people like yourself turn your passion into profit. We like to use the term contentpreneurs. So make sure you hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell so that you can be notified on our latest videos, and let's get to it.